how to make Google Docs dark mode. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Google Chrome on your desktop. Over here in the search bar, type Docs New to create a new Google Docs document. After that, open a new tab in your browser. Then in this new tab, type Google Docs dark mode into the search bar. After that, search for the extension in the Chrome Web Store and click on it to open. Then click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation here. Select Add Extension. After that, go back to your Google Docs tab. Over here, you'll see that the dark mode extension has been added at the top of the window. If you can't see it immediately, just refresh the tab. After the refresh, look for a new icon on the right side. Then hover over the icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Over here, you can customize your dark mode preferences. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.